7 habits that are secretly keeping you poor. If you're not where you want to be financially, it's probably not because of bad luck. It's your habits. Those little things you do every day without even thinking. So today I'm breaking down 7 that are quietly keeping you broke. Let's change that. Okay, just a heads up, this is not one of those motivational videos that tells you to believe in yourself. I mean, yes, believing in yourself, but let's talk real strategies. If you're tired of feeling stuck, tired of watching your bank account stay in the dangerous zone, and want to build actual wealth, then pay attention. Let's jump into habit number 1. Habit number 1, living above your means. Let's talk about this. Let's be honest, most people are broke because they try to look wealthy or rich. New phones, new clothes, random Amazon hauls like it's Black Friday every day. Like, what are you doing? If you're spending more than you make, you're not building wealth. You're digging yourself a hole, a grave. You don't need $6 lattes every morning or a new outfit every weekend. You need discipline. Start living below your means. That's where freedom comes. You don't need to eat out every day. You don't even have to eat out ever. You can just cook at home. Make meals, delicious meals. You'll save more money. You're trying to be wealthy, right? Well, these are some things you're gonna have to do. I know everybody likes to eat out, but if you want to become wealthy, these are some habits you're gonna have to change. And you might say, well, just it's not a big deal. Yes, that's how you build bad habits, and that's how you lose money. So, habit number 1, live below your means. Habit number 2, no budget. If your idea of a budget is checking your bank account balance before ordering Uber Eats, we've got a problem here, my friend. No budget equals no control of your money. And if you're not in control of your money, well, money is definitely in control of you. That's just how it is. You don't need a fancy spreadsheet or whatever. Just do what I do. Track what comes in and what goes out, and also where you're wasting your money. Once you see the patterns, you can fix them. Track how much money you make. Take out the expenses and legal things that you have to pay, like everybody pays, like rent and all that. Track also where you spend the most money, and if you can fix that part. Think about every single thing that you buy. Don't buy because of emotions. Buy because of a need. If you don't need something, then you shouldn't buy it. You shouldn't spend your money. Habit number 3, and this is one of the most important ones in my opinion, relying on one income. Why is this so important? If you only have one source of income, you're one emergency away from disaster. Jobs aren't as secure as they used to be. Layoffs happen, and let's be real, your boss isn't gonna save you. Nobody cares about you. So what you need to do is start a side hustle, freelance, build something online. I kid you not, there's so many kids online doing faceless YouTube channels and making so much money. It's crazy. And there's people who go to their jobs every single day and they struggle financially every month. They're just making it by. Just breaking even every month. And they're wasting all their time and energy. Just do something outside of your 9 to 5. Don't just work all day, go to sleep, and just wake up and do it again. Just try other things. See what works for you. Do YouTube. Start making content. Eventually it will pay off. Habit number 4 is no financial education. Let me guess, you know how to solve for X, but nobody ever taught you what money is. Yeah, school failed you. It failed me too. But that's no excuse now. You want to get wealthy. This is the way. How do we fix this? There are books, there are podcasts, there are YouTube channels dedicated on helping you learn about money. There are entire communities just dedicated on just talking about ways to earn money and learn about money. You're either learning or you're losing. You're probably using the internet wrong. You're just going on the internet to entertain yourself, to watch movies, to just consume, and just maybe check your emails. That's it. That's what you use the internet for. But there's people out here who use the internet in the right way. Try looking for those people, connect, and try to learn. Because let me tell you this, there's so many people who have shared their life experiences online, and you can find and you can read about it. That's how you learn, by understanding and by getting information from other people who have been in your shoes or they're currently in your shoes, and they're doing the same thing, and they maybe found something that you don't know yet. That's what you need to do. Stop scrolling on TikTok. Why are you wasting your time? You're never going to be as young as you are right now. It doesn't matter what your age is. You still have time. This should be day 1. Get off your ass. Chase what you want. It's never going to come to you. I'm not going to give it to you. Nobody's going to give it to you. Your neighbor's not, your mom, your dad. Nobody can except you. Nobody can. And that's the beauty of it, actually. Because even if they want to, even if they truly want to, nobody can actually give it to you. Even if somebody gives you money, you probably don't know how to invest or keep it alive, you're going to waste it or lose it. So even if people give you money, Nobody can give it to you, right? You gotta understand that you are the only one who can get it, who can make it happen. That's it. Habit number 5, emotional spending. And this is one of the dumbest one, but it's actually very true. Bad day, you deserve a treat. Good day, hey, you also deserve a treat. Stress day, more treats. This is how $5 becomes $500 before you even realize it. Instead of shopping every time you catch a feeling, find healthier outlets. Go for a walk. Journal. Start reading. You know what I do? I start doing push-ups every time I get stressed or angry or upset. I just do push-ups until my body is in pain. That distracts me and that helps me. Not only just keeping me in better shape, but also it's taking my mind off the wrong things and clearing things out in my head so then I can analyze my position. What I also like to do is just go in the mountains and start screaming where nobody can hear me. Yeah, it's weird, but guess what? It works. So, habit number 6, not investing. This one is very important as well. Saving your money is very smart. But if that's all you're doing, you're failing behind. Inflation is your savings. Putting money aside in the bank and never touching it is not gonna make you wealthy. It's not. Because things don't work like that. Maybe they used to back in the days when grandpa was alive, but not anymore. Okay, you don't need to be Warren Buffett. Nobody's telling you that. But you can start small, right? You can do whatever is accessible to you. If you have money to do real estate, try real estate. You don't have any money at all. Great, then do something that's free. Content creation. I tell this all the time. Start making YouTube videos. I swear, over time, it will change your life. And this is one thing that investing is so important, but you gotta understand, it comes with time, right? Investing, profitable, very profitable, but time. You don't do something today and tomorrow you get result. That's not gonna work. You gotta be disciplined, you gotta wait because it takes time. Every good thing takes time. If you can't handle that, get disciplined, right? So all you gotta do is just start. Compound interest is one of the few things in life that actually works harder the less you touch it. Last but not least, habit number 7, thinking short term. And this ties to habit number 6, not investing. If your biggest financial goal is surviving until Friday, we need to talk. Rich people think in decades, right? Wealthy people think in decades, not weekends. They're not chasing instant gratification. They're just planting seeds. And that's what you need to do as well. Stop jumping around from get rich quick idea to the next one. Build a long-term plan. That's what I'm doing. Look at me. I might not be the wealthiest person you ever know. I'm not making crazy amounts of money every month. I still work a 9 to 5. I still work in construction. Believe it or not, I have a second channel if you're watching me from that one. But I'm making content. I'm doing something that I am passionate about. And in the long term, I know for a fact I am going to be profitable. Be consistent in what you do. Don't expect results. Nothing. Don't expect anything. It's like something you gotta do, but you get nothing from it. But you have to do it because in 10 years, 5 years, could be a month for you, could be 10 years for you. You don't know. Depends on what you do and how you do it and how long you stick to it. Very important. Keep in mind. Can't just record a 2-minute video on your phone and expect to be rich. It might work. You never know. That's the thing. Just be consistent. Keep doing what you love. If that's what you love, then great. The boring stuff, that's what makes you wealthy in the future. It's the boring stuff that nobody wants to do. It's the 10-hour editing. Edit a video for 10 hours. I hate doing it. I hate that. I hate editing. But I do it because I love when I finish a video and I watch it and I laugh, or I think of when somebody else is going to watch this, are they going to laugh as well? Are they going to have a good time? That's what I like to do, right? So the 10-hour editing, it's worth it in the end. It's very boring and I hate it, but I do it because the outcome is good. If one of these habits sounded familiar, it's time for a change. I think so. Don't beat yourself up, just take some action. Do something today. Start with one habit, fix it, move on to the next one. If you're serious about building wealth, subscribe. I'll be dropping more videos like this to help you take control of your money, your mindset, and your future. You don't gotta pay me anything. I'm not asking for money. There's no course, no nothing. Just take my advice, watch my videos. If you don't like my advice and my videos, you can happily tell me to fuck off in the comments and just never watch one of my videos again. And maybe you learned a thing or two from this video, then drop a like and subscribe. Let's build something real together. And check out my first channel, link in description. That one is more about commentary stuff where I make a lot of jokes and I'm very sarcastic. This one is a more serious one for the fans who message me every day saying, how do I do this? How do I do that? Because I talk a lot about gurus, scammers on the internet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.